G'day trendsetters. Last week Robert left a message in the comments asking for a Marvin update. So Robert, here it is. Now I'm not exactly sure of the time frame, but I do know a couple of months or so ago I put Marvin in this new 60 centimetre pot with platinum grade potting mix, the absolutely best I can buy in my area. And I also pruned him down to here, which would have been, let's say, 2 foot tall. He's now 6 foot tall, so in that time, which is probably most of summer, he's managed to grow another 4 foot. So Marvin started here for me in October 2018. It was a gift from Bernice at work, at Glenville Villas where I work, and I've slowly, gradually over time moved him from the little 6-inch pot I got him in to an 8-inch pot, to a 12-inch pot, to an 18-inch pot, now to a 2 foot pot, something like that. 40 centimetres, 60 centimetres, sounds about right. He's growing marvellous, he's loving it. I'm debating with myself at the moment whether to plant it in the ground or get a bigger pot, or probably see if I can actually manage to keep it in this pot. Now, we're at the end of summer, so over the next 3 months he will lose all his leaves, and we will be in winter, and from there on in it will start to regrow, put out little flowers, and springtime, later on this year, I hope to be picking mulberries, making mulberry jam, which was the original goal. But Robert, Marvin the mulberry, the dwarf mulberry, it is a dwarf mulberry, I did neglect to say, but like I say, dwarf is relative to the original size of the original tree, and full-size mulberries can grow 6 to 8 metres tall. But yes, going gangbusters. Thanks for asking, Robert. Cheers. See you in the next video. Bye for now.